Hey guys, it's me Tessie again. Just thought I'd make another video. I don't know if you hear that chattering noise in the background. Hang on. Uh, Hang on. Every time I try to say, there it is. It's a bird, but I don't know if it's a woodpecker or if it's making a chattering noise. Hang on. There it is. I got it. So it's a weird chattering noise. It sounds like it's growling, but I don't know if birds growl. But I think it's a woodpecker. I believe it's a woodpecker, but it's weird. Um, so try not to. I shouldn't smoke, but I'll try not to smoke in my videos now. So because I don't know if some of you. Oh, what the heck? Oh, Talon cherry cigars. Good stuff. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Um, but, so, thanks. Bye.